In this module, let's look at how to modify a string. The objective is to learn about how to extract a portion of a string, append to a string, replace a portion of a string, remove white space from a string, change case of a string. Extracting portion of a string. Extracting portion of a string can be achieved using the below method. Substring, which returns string. Here, start index is the index at which portion of the string will begin. The portion of the string from start index till the end of the string is extracted. Here's an overloaded version of the substring method where both the start index and end index of the substring needs to be provided. So start index is the index at which the portion of the string will begin. The portion of the string from start index up to but not including the end index of the string is extracted. Let's look at an example. We have string str which is assigned how are you question mark literal. Here's the representation of the string with its indices. Next we invoke the substring on the str object and pass the start index as 4. So in this case, this is the start index. So the substring starts from 4 till the end of the string, which will be ru question mark. Next, when we invoke the substring on the string object and pass the start and the end index, so the start index is 4 and end index is 1 less than the end index. So the string are is extracted and assigned to substr1. Adding content to a string. To add content to a string, the below method can be used. Concat, which returns a string. Here str is added to the invoking string. In this example, we have string str which is assigned how are you question mark literal, and concat is invoked on the str object and the string literal I am good is passed. So the str value will be how are you question mark I am good. Replacing portion of the string. To replace portion of the string, the below method can be used. Replace, which returns a string. Here original is the char to be replaced with the char specified by replacement. In this example, we have string str which is assigned how are you question mark literal, and the replace method is called on the string object and the char that it needs to be replaced with is passed. Hence the value of str will be how are you question mark with the small o's replaced with the capital O. Removing white spaces from the string. To remove white space from beginning or ending of the string, we can use the below method trim, which returns the trimmed string. In this example, we have string str which is assigned the value of how are you question mark, which has some leading white spaces and trailing white spaces. So when trim is invoked on str object, the value assigned to str1 will be how are you without the leading and the trailing white spaces. Changing case of the string. To change case of characters of the string, we can use the below methods to lowercase and to uppercase, which return string. To lowercase converts all characters to lowercase and to uppercase converts all characters to uppercase. In this example, we have string str which is assigned how are you question mark literal. When to lowercase is invoked on the str object, it results in how are you question mark in all lowercase. And when to uppercase method is invoked on the str object, it results in how are you question mark in all uppercase. To summarize, we have learned that substring method can be used to extract a portion of a string. Concat method can be used to add data to a string. Replace method can be used to replace a portion of a string with other content. Trim method can be used to remove beginning and trailing white spaces in a string. Two lowercase and two uppercase methods can be used to convert the case of a string to lowercase and uppercase respectively.